Welcome back. A journey into the past awaits as we delve into the captivating narrative of an ancient civilization that thrived in the fertile plains of the Indus River, the Indus Valley Civilization. Nestled in present-day Pakistan and parts of northwestern India, this civilization reached its zenith approximately around 2500 BCE, astounding the world with its impressive urban planning, cryptic script, and seemingly egalitarian society. The Indus Valley Civilization, contemporaneous with ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia, stands out for its unique approach to urban living and societal organization. Ponder the reasons behind the advanced nature of this civilization and the enduring allure it holds for scholars and enthusiasts. Visualize walking through the well-structured streets of Mohenjo-Daro or Harappa, cities that showcased urban planning par excellence. Streets were meticulously laid out in a grid pattern, ensuring optimal airflow, a requisite in the region's hot climate. Houses, constructed from standardized baked bricks, were equipped with water supply and advanced sanitation facilities, including indoor bathrooms and intricate sewage systems. This meticulous urban planning hints at a highly organized central authority with a keen focus on cleanliness and urban convenience. The economic structure of the Indus Valley Civilization was equally impressive. A uniform system of weights and measures facilitated seamless trade within the Indus cities and with distant lands like Mesopotamia. The existence of trade links is substantiated by the discovery of Indus-style seals in Mesopotamia and Mesopotamian artifacts in Indus cities. The civilization's craftspeople exhibited expertise in bead-making, metallurgy, and pottery, creating both functional and artistically appealing goods. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Indus Valley Civilization is its undeciphered script. Comprising over 400 symbols, this script has been found on seals, pottery, and tools, suggesting its use for trade and administrative purposes. Despite numerous attempts, the script remains a mystery, leaving a void in our understanding of the civilization's governance, religious practices, and daily life. Deciphering this script could be the key to unveiling the social structure and intellectual life of the Indus people. In a stark contrast to other contemporary societies, the Indus Valley Civilization shows no clear signs of a ruling monarchy or dominant religious priesthood. The uniformity in house sizes and artifact styles across cities suggests a society with less pronounced social stratification, possibly reflecting a more collective or egalitarian social order. Artistic expressions found in sculptures and jewelry indicate a deep connection with nature and possibly ritualistic practices. Today, we've roamed through the sophisticated world of the Indus Valley Civilization, renowned for its urban planning, economic stability, and mysterious script. This civilization offers a riveting glimpse into early urban life and the intricacies of ancient societies. Its abrupt decline and the reasons behind it remain one of archaeology's most intriguing mysteries. Thank you for joining this exploration of the Indus Valley Civilization. The unsolved mystery of their undeciphered script leaves room for endless speculation. What could be your take on why this script has never been deciphered? Your thoughts are always welcome.